Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study why some plants are known as twiners and some plants are known as tendril climbers. Now, first of all, why twiners are called so? The term twiner comes from the word twine, means which can twist or wind around something. Now, why the tendril climbers are called so? Because they climb by using tendrils. They are using tendril. And what is tendril? It is a modified plant organ like leaf, leaflet, stem, stipules, or inflorescence, which is sensitive to touch and it coils around for a support. Now, see, twiners we have studied right now, they are climbing plant that climb by winding their stem. Okay, they do not use any specialized organs like tendril, hook, adhesive. They are not using any one of it. Entire stem is making a coil around it. The stem itself is coiling around the support. Because the stem is weak and very slender, it cannot remain erect on their own. So it is just coiling around themselves for some support. Now, how do the twiners climb? See, first of all, imagine this is a young seedling coming out. So the stem is very weak and it is slender. So what happened? It just coil around the support. And generally the coiling is clockwise. In definite direction, they will go spirally wind around the support so that they can grow upward. Examples. These are the examples: butterfly pea, your clitoria, dolichos lab, hyacinth bean. These two examples are of family Fabaceae. Ipomia, it is example of family Convolvulaceae. Fasciolus vulgaris, this is also an example of twiner coming from family Fabaceae. So family Fabaceae is having the twiner examples. Okay, and this is the one which is of the family Convolvulaceae. Remaining all are family Fabaceae. Now, tendril climbers. We have already studied comparison starting only. Okay, they are the plant which are having weak stems, so they climb with the help of tendrils, which are actually very slender thread-like coiling structure. Because the stem cannot stand erect by themselves, so tendrils are the structures which are either modified leaf or leaflet, which is helping them to climb. So main characteristics of the plants which are using tendril, they are having very weak and slender stem. They climb by using tendrils. Tendrils show thigmotropis, means it is showing response to the touch. They coil around for support and they grow vertically without investing energy. Example, if leaf is becoming tendril, example, if you see here, these are the two example of family Fabaceae. Pisum sativum, garden pea, Lathyrus odoratus, sweet pea, in which case terminal leaflet is modifying into tendril. Now, axillary bud if modified into tendril or apical bud is modified into tendril. So in the Vitis vinifera, it is the apical bud which is modifying into tendril, which is a part of the stem. So it is known as the stem tendril. Now, passiflora, passion flower, is also the one in which the bud is becoming into the tendril. Now, axillary bud, if it is becoming into the tendril, example is cucurbita pepper, which is arising from the axillary bud. So these are the few example of tendril climbers. So let us see the comparisons between twiners and tendril climbers. Twiners, they will use stem. They will not have any specialized organs and the stem will coil around support, and generally the climbing structure is the main stem itself only. But in case of tendril climbers, they will use tendrils. Tendrils are present and the climbing structure is not main stem. It is either leaf or leaflet or stem or stipule or inflorescence. I hope so this video might have helped you to understand difference between twiners and tendril climbers. Once again, please remember twiners are the main stem which coil around for the support without using any organ. It's a main stem only. But tendril climbers are also the stem, but it is using some special structure that is becoming into tendril. That can be either leaf or leaflet or stem. I hope so. The short video might be helpful for you. If you find the videos are informative and it is helping you to understand the concept, please subscribe to my channel and follow for more such interesting facts for biology.